Welcome back, everyone. Today we're taking an in-depth look at one of Caterpillar's most iconic and highly respected heavy dozers, the 2025 Cat D10. This machine has built a reputation for delivering massive productivity in mining, heavy construction, and large-scale earth moving, and the 2025 model takes that legacy to an entirely new level. With updated technology, new comfort features, enhanced durability, and serious pushing power, the D10 stands as a perfect balance between the massive D11 and the more agile mid-sized dozers. Let's break down everything from the exterior to the interior, performance, and expected pricing so you get the full picture of this powerhouse. Starting with the exterior. The 2025 D10 delivers a bold, aggressive stance that immediately tells you it's built for serious work. The frame design is more streamlined, yet heavily reinforced, giving the dozer both strength and easier access for service. The hood has been lowered slightly to improve visibility. It's offering operators a clearer view of the blade, the material ahead, and the tracks below. The LED lighting system has been upgraded with wider beams and improved coverage, making night operations safer and more productive. The new cooling package includes advanced airflow channels and wider grill openings to keep the engine running at optimal temperatures, even in extreme heat or under heavy load. The undercarriage is built with long-life components, thicker track shoes, stronger rollers, and a redesigned sprocket system that reduces wear over time. Access points for daily inspections are more centralized, allowing operators or technicians to complete checks faster and safer. From every angle, the D10's exterior screams durability and performance. Stepping into the interior, the 2025 D10 raises the bar for operator comfort and control. Once inside, you immediately notice the improved visibility thanks to the larger windows and thinner cab pillars. The cab environment is quieter due to better insulation and upgraded sound damping materials. The operator seat has undergone a complete redesign. It now features high-end suspension, heating and cooling, and multi-axis adjustments to support long working hours with minimal fatigue. The control layout has been simplified and modernized. A large, high-resolution touchscreen is positioned within easy reach, displaying everything from machine diagnostics to grade control settings, fuel usage, performance analytics, and camera views. Joystick controls offer smooth, responsive operation with less physical effort, making precision moves more natural than ever before. Additional features like expanded storage, improved climate control, multiple charging ports, and a cleaner dashboard layout help create an operator workspace that feels more like a command center than a heavy machine. Now let's talk performance, where the D10 continues to dominate its class. The 2025 model is powered by a high-efficiency engine designed for maximum torque and fuel savings under heavy loads. The transmission is tuned for smooth shifts, quick acceleration, and consistent pushing force even on steep inclines or loose material. The advanced hydraulics deliver fast blade response, allowing the operator to maintain precise control even during aggressive cuts. The machine's traction control and load sensing systems help minimize track slip while ensuring maximum ground contact, boosting productivity and reducing unnecessary fuel burn. Whether you're ripping through hard rock, pushing massive piles of overburden, or shaping haul roads in a mine, the D10 gives you a confident, controlled feeling at all times. Intelligent assist features such as automated blade settings and grading aids help operators improve accuracy while reducing physical strain. The updated ripper system at the rear offers incredible penetration force and smoother operation, making material breakup more efficient and less stressful on the machine. Maintenance is another area where the 2025 D10 shines. Ground-level service points, remote monitoring, and onboard diagnostics make it easy for operators and technicians to stay ahead of potential issues. The machine can send health alerts, service reminders, and productivity data directly to fleet managers, reducing downtime and improving site planning. The stronger components, improved cooling, and smarter diagnostics all contribute to a lower cost per hour of operation compared to older models. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 Cat D10 is expected to fall in the range of approximately $1.4 to $1.7 million depending on the configuration, blade size, technology packages, and regional adjustments. It's a major investment, but one that pays off quickly for operations that demand high production and long-term reliability. The D10 is known for its strong resale value, its ability to run efficiently for thousands of hours with minimal issues. The 2025 Cat D10 represents a perfect blend of raw power, intelligent systems, and operator-focused design. From its rugged exterior and refined interior to its unbeatable performance and long-term durability, the D10 is built to tackle massive workloads while keeping productivity and comfort at the highest level. If you're looking for a heavy-duty dozer that stands at the center of capability and efficiency, the 2025 D10 is one of the strongest choices you can make.